This video shows the actual production process inside an experienced PP woven bag manufacturer in Vietnam, recorded directly on the factory floor at Huong Packaging Company Limited. The footage reflects real daily operations, not a staged presentation. The focus of this video is on automatic bottom cutting and sewing, followed by final mouth stitching for PP woven bags with pay liners. From a production perspective, liner integration and sewing accuracy are critical. Poor liner positioning or unstable stitches can cause leakage, contamination, or failure during filling and transport. As an experienced PP woven bag manufacturer of Vietnam, we design these processes to remain stable across large volume export orders. Proper machine settings, trained operators, and controlled workflows ensure that both the woven fabric and the pay liner perform as intended under real working conditions. The final stage shown is secure bale packing, preparing PP woven bags with pay liners for container loading and long-distance export. Buyers searching for a PP woven bag manufacturer Vietnam experienced are not only comparing prices, they are evaluating whether a factory understands where problems occur and how to prevent them. This video is shared to provide the practical transparency before cooperation begins. If you are evaluating a PP woven bag manufacturer in Vietnam with experience in P-liner integration, you can review our specifications on the website or contact us via email or WhatsApp for a technical discussion.